Thanks for joining me for a look inside ECCO's 12 Plus Vantage Series LED light bar. To start it off, we'll go ahead and give you a look at the inside. So getting the polycarbonate domes out of the way. They're held into place with Phillips head screws, and of course they have a rubber seal to keep grit, grime, and any kind of elements from the inside of the bar. You'll notice that it has an opaque or frosted top with a clear section that's over the modules. Reason for this, it helps keep the UV rays out of the light bar, so it enhances the longevity. On this side here, we'll get this out of the way as well. So again, the opaque top and a full rounded out clear section. So the way that ECCO has put this bar together, again in this 60-inch length, it's essentially modular. So you'll notice that the inner portions are what grows. So if you have a shorter ranged length, you're going to notice less of this and of course less modules possibly on the inside. So nice thing with the domes, if you ever do need to replace them, well, it's that simple to get them out of the way. Just the screws, get the new one right into place. And something that you may be wondering is a seal. That is actually done on the polycarbonate basin along the edge here. So with the modules, like I mentioned, nice placement here, you can easily switch them around if you needed to. And then in the case of what I have going on here, there's no work lights, there's no alleys, but you can add them if you want to. There's actually inputs again on the circuit board. So the modules are tied into a 2-wire harness, power and ground connection. Freed up, that easy to do. So something that I like on the back of the modules so you know what color they are without turning the bar on, well, there's a dot right there. So red module, if it's blue, green, white, or amber, that's the color. So great thing with these bars, if you want to make some changes to it to switch up your vehicle, just get the different colors, pop them right into place. So again, a nice little corresponding 2-wire quick connect. And again, tip this up here to give you a look at the circuit board. Wire organization, Code 3 has done a fantastic job by having the channels in which it's tucked into. On the main circuit board, full quick connects for everything on the inboards, front, rear, and the corners. Wrapping over here, that's where you're going to notice the inputs for the alleys and work lights. And lastly, on the circuit board, you'll notice harness input, power, ground, and the accessory trigger harness for work lights, alleys, pattern 1, pattern 2, and flash pattern control. So a very user-friendly light bar it is, everything on a quick disconnect. And the circuit board, 4 screws, it lifts right out of place. So something fun that I want to show you when it comes to these modules, after all, optics are what makes these things work. The diodes themselves need a little bit of care to make them work the way that we need them to. And to remove the front optics portion, on the back of the module, 2 small torque screws will be removed. And free and clear the aluminum bracket is of the quick connect, so it'll slide apart. With the screws removed, the module can be further separated. The front optic, the inside circuit board with 3 diodes, and on the back, the soldered on quick connect. And here is a nice look at the aluminum mounting base bracket. What I am going to do now is, keeping the optic out of the way, going to put this back into its place. Quick connect with the harness. And a little bit of fun to show you again what the optic section is going to do in comparison. You can see there is really quite the difference once the optic has been separated from the diodes. They are nice and intense, but again, optics, that is what is making them have the better visibility and vibrance for this platform. So there you have it, ECCO and the 12 Plus Series Vantage LED bar and our inside look. If you haven't, to make sure you're staying up to date with us on the newest of social media, like and subscribe to our great platforms. I'm Chris. We'll see you next time.